we're here at the Townhomes at Bradford Creek in Madison, Alabama. This community is in a great location, is pet-friendly, and features a playground. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse. Let's go take a look. Come on in. Right when you walk in, you'll find the spacious living room. That leads right into the dining room. Right off the main living space is a coat closet, a convenient half bathroom, a laundry room with washer and dryer connections, and the kitchen. Out back, you'll find a covered patio, a convenient storage closet, and lots of green space. Going back inside, upstairs, you'll find a full bathroom, a linen closet, the first bedroom, and the primary bedroom, which has 2 closets. Outside, there's a playground and a basketball court. Click the link below to book your tour today.